Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a 2018 GMC Acadia all-terrain, all-wheel drive, stock number X363A. 49,000 miles in this one owner, local trade, clean auto check history report. We sold this Acadia brand new, Ebony Twilight metallic in color. You do receive the balance of the factory 5-year, 60,000 mile powertrain warranty. Those Acadia seats 5, leather interior, thick skylight overhead with sunshade. Rear seats, full flat for additional cargo space. It's a very safe vehicle with advanced safety features like blind spot monitoring, cross path detection, backup camera, and rear parking sensors, all helping to give it a 5-star front and side government crash rating. Power liftgate for convenience. Lots of cargo space in the rear. Back seats can be folded from the rear as well with the pull of a handle, giving you a lot of flexibility for cargo and passengers. And very clean, no dents or dings in the body. This all-terrain has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, height adjustable power liftgate control, power seats, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position. Power moonroof. Button start. Large, easy to read gauges. With driver information system. Controlled by buttons on the steering wheel. Cruise control. Large touchscreen infotainment system. For radio. It's also satellite radio capable. Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth-enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. Navigation. And those, of course, where the backup camera display is. Dual-zone automatic temperature control with heated front seats, USB and auxiliary input, allowing you to connect media devices. Automatic transmission with manual shift capability. An all-wheel drive lock, giving you the greatest capability in inclement weather. Lots of storage space in the armrest. Spacious glove box with all the owner's materials. Overhead, home link transmitter for and power moonroof control. Under the hood, this Acadia has a 3.6 liter V6, 310 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 17 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 25 on the highway, and ready to go with new tires. For more information on this Acadia, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.